here, and I'm going to play this game that my sister texted me about. It is called Press the Button. Now, as you can see, I googled it because it's apparently a game you can download and it's a site you can go to, and I'm not going to download an app. So, just like with Akinator, I just googled it. This will be my first time playing it. I have never played this before. Okay, so I think what you do is, like, you see, if you press the button, like, they give you two options. Like, you'll do one thing, but it'll have this lasting effect, and you have to decide if you would press the button or not. I don't see the I will option, though. Okay. I think it's like a would you rather situation, which if I can play that as well, I'm going to play Would You Rather in a different video, but still. Alright, you will gain the ability to change your appearance into whatever you desire, but you will remain in that form for precisely 60 minutes. So, I can only... Okay, so maybe tapping on the button would be the I will option. Alright, so I'd only get to look like whatever I want to look like for an hour. But then after that hour, I could just change back to what I wanted to look like. So, couldn't I? I'm gonna say yeah, because that seems like a pretty decent deal. Okay. Oh, so a lot of people have said yes to that. Okay, next. You will never have homework ever again, but you will always get a C in every assignment. Homework isn't that much of a problem, honestly. Wow, I'm in the minority with that one. It looks like the little red bar. I'm fine with that. You will have the power of reading through any mind, but you will have to listen to all your biological family's thoughts anywhere you go. I will not. Even if that wasn't the case, I don't want to read minds. I'd rather not know what someone is thinking about me. Because, you know, that can cause problems. So, I don't... no. And plus, you know, I really don't want to know what my family is thinking all the time. I don't want to live in some kind of weird hive mind. Because, I mean, yes, it would be helpful, I guess, in some regard. But I don't want it. You will get to work your dream job, but you will get paid minimum wage and have to live off of welfare to survive. I don't really know what welfare is, to be honest. I know what minimum wage is. I don't know what welfare is. I think my dream job is to be an author. But, yeah, to be honest, I don't think I'd press that button. Oh, okay, they did not. Okay, so the red bar is who did not. The green bar isn't me. The green bar is who did press the button. Okay, I getcha. The king of pop comes back to life, but you are not allowed to listen to any of his music. I have no idea who that is. I don't know. I will not. Who Who the hell is the king of pop? I don't know who that is. All feminists except for one are gone, and there will never be another feminist again. But you will be forced to marry Big Red, the last feminist, and will never be able to have a divorce. This is confusing. I don't understand this. What are you talking about? I kind of know what a feminist is. Who the fuck is Big Red? The red dot guy? Is it a Sesame Street character? Who the hell is Big Red? No. Okay, I'm in the majority there. Okay. Your body will be in good shape no matter what, but your voice will be super high pitched. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, a good shaped body means health, right? Health means you live longer. I can deal with an annoying voice. Have Commander Shepard live at the end of Mass Effect 3 with the Reapers destroyed, but every human in the galaxy is dead except you, but all other races can flourish. Bitch, I don't play Mass Effect. I haven't seen a Let's Play of that. I've only ever heard of it on top 10 videos. You're speaking Japanese to me. What are you talking about? No, you're not. You're speaking German, because something of Japanese I would probably understand a couple. I would probably like recognize something. Because yes, I'm fucking weird. I don't understand this. No. Fuck it, I don't care. Okay, you see into the future as far as you wish. But you also can see the ultimate future that isn't real, the alternate future that isn't real, and you can never tell the difference between the real future and the fake future. That's actually a good one. Because like if you can see into the future, then you could like prevent things from happening. But if it's a fake future, then... But the only difference between a fake future and a real future would be like your events, right? Like, okay, so say you see into the future of someone spilling a drink. You could not do anything about it and they could not spill the drink, or they could end up spilling the drink. If you warn them beforehand about not spilling the drink, then they might not spill the drink either way. So yeah, that analogy might not have made a whole lot of sense, but even though, you know, seeing the future is like reading minds for me, I don't want to do it. I don't want to have visions. I don't want to hear other people's thoughts. I don't. As scary as life is, I don't. You can eat anything without gaining weight, but you appear to be skeleton thin. Hell no. I ain't turning one of those walking skeletons, one of those what do they call it? Cocaine chic? No. Fuck that. I'm not that apathetic towards my parents. Huh. Fuck you. You become invisible, but you can't touch anything. No. I need to touch things. I need to hold things. If I can't touch anything, how am I going to eat? Why would I want to be invisible anyway? So people don't know that I'm talking to them? I mean, couldn't you give me something like you get a cloak of invisibility, but you can only use it on Christmas? You know? Anyway, you have the power to create world peace, but doing so would condemn you and all your loved ones. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna say no, but hear me out. Even though it seems selfish, it's because I don't want my loved ones to suffer. And I feel like the way things are going in the world, they're happening for a reason. So I know me explaining it here is probably gonna sound super fucking fake, but I don't think I would press that button. And I realize it's selfish, but I don't think I would press that button because, you know, no, I don't, no. I can't put it into words accurately, but no. Well, a lot of people are selfish like me, I guess. That says something about humanity. You have the power to create world... I thought I said next. Okay, you will become a very attractive man. The only thing you'll be able to say are quotes from French musicians, from French musicals. No. 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 One, because I'm not a man. And two, no one I know speaks French. Okay, I'm almost done recording here. You can everyone's mind. I can what everyone's mind? People can read yours. I said no. I'm not reading people's minds. You will be able to have any 4 powers you wish. X, mind control, levitation, / flying abilities, as well as being able to rule an entire world all of your own. You can get whatever and whomever you want, and even have servants to do your bidding. But you will be forced to live in a parallel universe where there is another different copy of you, and if you ever come in physical contact, the entire universe in which you exist, including the one this one will perish in order to obtain this wish. No. Wow, a lot of people said yeah to that. Look, I don't want power. You are able to vividly remember whatever you wish, but if you try to recall these memories, they are followed by terrible nightmares. Yeah. Wow, a lot of people said no to that. Look, I just think that having the ability to remember a lot of stuff accurately would come in handy. I don't mind having a nightmare or two. Okay, get the car of your dreams, but it's in white, female color, which you can't change nor get rid of. Yeah, sure. I don't see the problem there. You get your own dragon to train and ride. Others will train their dragons to try and kill you. No. I'm not dying in a dragon face-off tonight. You save the world and make it a better place, but you go down in history as a bad person. Yes. Do I even need to explain that one? Sometimes you gotta do the wrong things for the right reasons. Alright? That's just it. One more and then we're done. You can teleport to anywhere you can imagine being, but only your naked body teleports when you do so. So I teleport, but my clothes stay where I am. Can I like bring a backpack with clothes in it when I teleport? Yeah, go ahead, press the button. Alright. I gotta get ready for bed now, so that was that. That was me playing Will You Press the Button? That was actually kind of fun. They were like personality quizzes. Only I don't get a result. Just an endless quiz. So, that was that. Hope this was entertaining. Y'all have a good night. And Ruby video coming on Saturday, I think. If things go the way I'm planning.